Hi, I'm Roy with Popular Mechanics. Here's how to use a circular saw. Unplug the saw before making any adjustments. To make a bevel cut, loosen the lock knob, then tilt the saw's shoe. To adjust the depth of cut, loosen the locking lever at the back of the saw. Then pivot the shoe down, reducing the amount of blade exposure. Then lock the lever. To change the blade, pivot the blade guard out of the way. Then press down on the spindle lock button behind the blade housing. Remove the wrench that's included with the saw. Use it to loosen the spindle bolt. Remove the bolt and the washer, and then slide out the blade through the slot in the saw's shoe. To install a blade, reverse the process. Slip the blade into the blade housing, attach the washer and the spindle bolt, press the spindle lock button, and then tighten the spindle bolt with the wrench. Note the two notches on the saw's shoe. The zero mark guides the saw for making all cut with the blade 90 degrees to the shoe. With the saw properly set up and adjusted, plug it in. Make your cut. To make a plunge cut, retract the blade guard and align the blade with the cut line. With the saw's shoe resting on the workpiece, press the saw's trigger and then pivot the blade slowly into the work. The shoe is seated. Release the blade guard and move the saw forward along the cut line. Then pivot the saw upright and release the trigger. Cordless saws work in an identical fashion to corded saws. Remove the battery when making adjustments and install the battery when you're ready to go. Remember to engage the battery latch to slide the battery into the saw. Once you do, you're ready to go. For Popular Mechanics, I'm Roy Berendsohn, Senior Editor.